Got a beautiful Northern Gold AAA Canadian beef tenderloin. Let's clean it up. So we're going to start just by hand. We're going to take a lot of the fat off. You can just pull away at it. We've got the chain along the side. Comes off pretty easily. Now a lot of your finer cuts, you're using a 6-inch boning knife. My favorite one is the Victorinox. So we're going to clean that up after. We're going to turn it into anything we can save there is going to go into our ground beef. So what we do is we do the top part of it first, and then we do the underside. So that way we're not flipping our piece of meat around and over handling it. Clean all this nice fat off here. All right, for the silver skin, you take your knife, you're just going to slide it right underneath, and then just right to the back. See how quickly it comes out? Do the same thing with the next part. Angle it up a little bit, and that way you're leaving as much meat on the piece of beef as possible without taking it off. You just smooth it out with your hand. Last little bit there. All right. Got most of it taken away. We're going to flip it over. There's always a little bit of silver skin at the bottom as well. Clean that away. Now you can see where it came off the bone here. You got to clean that up. All right. Now using your 10-inch scimitar, it's going to be some of your bigger cuts. So we're going to clean some of the fat off here, but you're going to want to have a little bit of a bigger angle on it. Anything we're taking off here is going to go in our grind. I'm going to go down in the wedge here and take some of that fat out. There's a little bit left on the side here. Clean that away. Clean up a little bit of the head. There we go. Now we're ready to cut some steaks.